Salt and Shadow's final part. Kiesha never leave Laddie yard that morning. She stumbled down the road, crying, salt on her skin, but the salt never wash away the darkness, it wake it up. From that day, people swear they see her talking to herself, begging somebody who is not there, dragging her left foot like it was heavy, like something pulling her. She stopped combing her hair, she doesn't bathe, flies follow her. One night a man driving past Johnson Pen see Kiesha half naked in a cane field, digging, laughing, and shouting.
You want but my piece? Give me back my soul. Me say me never mean for hurt her. You just did jealous.
Next morning, she collapsed in front of the same cook shop she mash up, foaming from the mouth, eyes rolled over. When Laddie stepped out and see her, she don't say a word. She just dropped to grains of salt by the doorway and turned back inside her yard. But later that night Kiesha vanished. Only sign was a trail of dragged foot marks heading towards the bush. People started to talk again.
Kiesha not dead, but she not alive either. Them say she live in a the old slave cave down by Dun Gully. That she have no food for eat, only lap up rainwater and not talk to the tree them.
One little boy swear he saw her face outside his bedroom window with mud smothered all over it. But the revival woman, Mata Teresa, she knows the truth. She told Laddie,
When you pour salt on the guilty, you no kill them. It only wake up wahaha them.
Laddie still feel Kiesha in her sleep, still dream she's drowning, still wake up crying. So one evening, she took a lamp, went in search of Kiesha, she followed the dragged tracks. Deep in the gully she found Kiesha, but Kiesha doesn't look human again. Skin stretched like bark, fingernails black, and the smell. Deadness and shame. Kiesha crawls towards Laddie, crying blood.
It's sorry, Lottie. We never did know the fire would have followed me.
But Laddie, she kneel, she pray, and she took a handful of salt and rub it across Kiesha's forehead.
Me done forgive you already, but some pain bigger than forgiveness.
And Kiesha screamed. Not loud, but the wind leaving a house through broken board, the bush swallowed her whole. Weeks passed, peace didn't return. But deep down, Laddie know it is not done until Papa Duppy done, so she went back to Mata Teresa. Mata Teresa walked with her, chanting soft, to goats dropped dead when they passed the hill. When they reached Papa Duppy yard, it was overgrown, but still breathing.
Him still in there,
Laddie whispered.
hiding in him own filth.
Inside, Papa Duppy rotting alive, half blind, half gone. But still whispering names into bottles, still scratching spales on wood. Laddie stepped forward, she threw oil, she threw salt, and she speak.
You open the door with Kiesha. You poison my name. Now you are gonna walk with the same spirit you raise up.
She light the match, house catch like dry cane. Papa Duppy scream, but only shadows flew out the roof. Laddie and Mata Teresa walked away, salt in hand, eyes clean, heard bruised, but no longer bleeding.
No big darkness fit do you no favor, 'cause when it collect, it come for everything.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for stories like these and more. Link in bio. Don't forget to follow my page, like, comment, and share.